Good morning.
Good morning.
Welcome to our institution's Safety Officer Interviews question and answer training videos.
Thank you.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.
Good morning all.
Good morning, ma'am.
Today I am going to teach you accident and incident investigation definition and explanation. What is accident and incident investigation? Accident investigation is the process of determining the immediate and root causes of an accident, so that corrective action can be taken to prevent similar incidents from happening again.
What are the accident investigation and its benefits?
It identifies causes of the incidents. It identifies corrective actions to prevent recurrence. Records facts of the incident for future evidence. Meeting legal compliance. Improves staff morale. Identifies individuals for disciplinary action. It enables risk assessment to be updated. Discovers trends.
Explain what are the steps of accident.
Basically, the accident investigation is done into 4 steps that are: Step 1, gather factual information about the event. Step 2, analyze that information and draw conclusions about the immediate and root causes. Step 3, identify suitable control measures. Step 4, plan the remedial actions.
Why accidents and incidents should be investigated?
There are 2 reasons why accidents and incidents should be investigated. The first reason is to determine their cause, and the second is so that information forthcoming from the investigation can be used to prevent them happening again.
Who makes an accident investigation report?
A team of frontline supervisor, HSE manager, subcontractor representative if subcontractor personnel are injured, high officials depending upon the severity of accident.
What are the steps in an investigation?
Step 1, immediate action. In the event of an incident, immediate action to be taken may include making the area safe, preserving the scene and notifying relevant parties. Step 2, plan the investigation. Step 3, data collection. Step 4, data analysis. Step 5, corrective actions. Step 6, reporting.
What are the gathering information, relevant records and sources of information?
1. Victim statements. 2. Witness statements. 3. Plans and diagrams. 4. CCTV coverage. 5. Process drawings, sketches, measurements, photographs. 6. Check sheets, permits to work records, method statements. 7. Details of the environmental conditions at the time. 8. Written instructions, procedures and risk assessments which should have been in operation and followed. 9. Previous accident records. 10. Information from health and safety meetings. 11. Technical information, guidance, toolbox talk sheets. 12. Manufacturer's instructions. 13. Risk assessments. 14. Training records. 15. Logs. 16. Instrument readouts and records. 16. Opinions, experiences, observations.
What are the accident, incident investigation step 2?
1. Be objective and unbiased. 2. Identify the sequence of events and conditions that led up to the event. 3. Identify the immediate causes. 4. Identify underlying causes, that is actions in the past that have allowed or caused undetected unsafe conditions/practices. 5. Identify root causes, that is organizational and management health and safety arrangements, supervision, monitoring, training, resources allocated to health and safety.
What are the accident, incident investigation step 3? Identifying the required risk control measures.
1. Eliminate the risk altogether. 2. Substitute the risk for something safer. 3. Apply engineering controls such as cutout devices, guards, etc. 4. Apply administrative controls such as safe working practices. 5. Use personal protective equipment, PP, but only as a last resort or in conjunction with other controls.
What are the accident, incident investigation step 4 - formulation of the action plan and its implementation?
1. Specific. 2. Measurable. 3. Achievable. 4. Realistic, and with. 5. Timescales.
What are the accident/incident investigation, analyzing the causes?
1. Immediate causes are generally unsafe acts and conditions. 2. Underlying causes are generally procedural failures. 3. Root causes are generally management system failures.
What are the immediate cause?
The most obvious reason why an adverse event happens, for example, the guard is missing, the employee slips, the pipe flange fails, etc. There may be several immediate causes identified in any one adverse event.
What are the underlying cause?
The less obvious system or organizational reason for an adverse event happening, for example, pre-startup machinery checks are not carried out, safe working procedures are not adhered to, the hazard has not been adequately considered via a suitable and sufficient risk assessment, production process pressures are too great, etc.
What are the root cause?
A lack of rules and working procedures. Insufficient training. A general lack of commitment to safety. Insufficient supervision. Poor plant, equipment and layout design. Poor working conditions.
What are the types of inspections and investigations?
1. Imminent danger inspections. 2. Accident investigations, that is fatality and catastrophe investigations. 3. Complaint, referral investigations. And 4. Programmed inspections, including routine, scheduled inspections and regional and national emphasis program inspections.
What is imminent danger?
An imminent danger is a workplace hazard that puts you at immediate serious risk of death or serious physical harm. It may be a safety hazard such as an unstable trench or exposed electrical wire that could cause a serious or fatal accident immediately under present conditions.
What is accident investigations?
The term accident is also commonly used, and can be defined as an unplanned event that interrupts the completion of an activity, and that may or may not include injury or property damage. They use the term incident to refer to an unexpected event that did not cause injury or damage that time but had the potential.
What are the complaint, referral investigations?
The DOTIC routinely receives complaints through telephone calls, mail, or in person. Each complaint is assigned a referral tracking number, and is reviewed for possible investigative or audit interest. This includes details pertaining to the processing of your complaint.
What are the programmed inspections?
A programmed inspection occurs when the inspection is scheduled because of selection criteria chosen by OSHA. This criteria can include anything from injury rates, death rates, exposure to toxic substances to a high amount of lost workdays in the construction industry.
Please tell full form of RIDOR.
Reporting of Injuries, Diseases and Dangerous Occurrences Regulations, RIDOR, 1995.
Please show some photographs.
Please give comment and suggestions. Thank you. Subscribe our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for more updates. Thank for visit our channel. See you next class. Thank you.